So for today's project, we're going to put some black emblems on Matt's Mustang.
Full speed. Burnout.
First step, we had to remove a little cover right here, and then he had to take off his hood latch to get access to it. He just broke the tabs on the back side. Now we're pulling the old one out.
Yep, easy as that.
Next step is to go in there and clean off the area where the old emblem was, because the new one has clips and two-sided adhesive. Plus, you just want to clean things up when you have it apart anyway. Okay, so now the new one's about to go on. Gonna peel the adhesive backing.
3M backing, by the way.
3M adhesive, the only way to go. Alright, apply that bad boy.
Alright, over there.
Very good.
And then we'll, I'll stick the little backing pins on them.
Alright, going back together now. He's putting the hood latch back in. I dig the garage band-aid.
That's what you gotta do.
You gotta do. Next piece is putting this back on.
Get your clips.
I do. We have little clips like this. They go down in there. You push them down. Final.
So what do we think about the black horse?
That looks pretty cool.
Well, the orange car, I think it looks even better.
Looks very sinister. Now, let's go do the back. All right, now we're gonna switch around here and put the rear horse on. First step is we have to remove this carpet underneath the trunk here. And then there are two pieces here and here that have to come off. All right, so the carpet is off. Now what does that leave? We have two clips up in here and two under here.
So I ain't sweating it.
Okay, bolts are out.
Yeah, so if,
Panel is loose feeling.
if I break it, I'm not too worried about it.
All right, so now he's got to pry that off with a screwdriver. There are snaps
Two,
down through here and here
should be
where
two.
you can't get to. There sounds like one. We're making some headway. Looking good, looking good.
I know it sounds terrible, doesn't it?
Looking good. I see the clips, they go out that way.
Yeah. So I was trying to pry.
Okay,
I'm gonna go
looking
the other
good,
side. Well,
looking good.
if you can pull up.
Yeah, out that way. There he goes.
No, it's just little clips.
And there it is, fellas.
That should be it. There should be a wire for the camera.
And it's off. Gotta hook his camera.
Should be a wire right here. Okay, we are drilling out the old emblem.
Holy crap.
Well, we drilled out that emblem for show.
That went a little further than I wanted it to. Just really have to drill the head of the rivet off like that.
Yeah. So we have cleaned the area with alcohol, wiped it down, made sure the surface is clean because we have this 3M two-sided tape on the back of the horse. And it also comes with a couple of mounting clips. So let's get to it.
At this point, the process is simple. He's going to remove the backing from the adhesive, the 3M adhesive. It has pins to align in the factory holes. He gets one shot at this.
One shot.
The pressure is on.
Makes it pretty simple since it matches up to the factory hose. Takes all the guesswork out. So I'm gonna just press it in here just for a moment. Probably good. So then we'll turn it over and we'll put the
All right, so now the clips are going on, and he'll take this socket and he'll press those down.
It's up to you. You wanna do it?
And bam, and bam, and bam. And that's it.
And then we have
Look at that. Beautiful.
factory finish. pieces for the bolts. That
Okay.
video sucked. That goes here. It was here. It was here. And here.
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how the factory assembles a car in 24 hours. Fasteners just push in.
Makes it easy. Now how do you go? Okay, we've got it all put back together, the trim panel, the clips, all the various pieces. So let's close it up, see what it looks like. And there she is.
Very nice. Nice and sinister.
Much easier than the grill.
Very nice.